Hi guys, today I received these Silkland Type-C cables for viewing purposes. They are quite nice. It's a package of two, which comes handy because, you know, sometimes you need just the one in one place and one another. You can leave one in your car, something like that. And I found them really nice for two reasons. First of all, it has this protective plastic here so the cable doesn't bend on the connection part, and they are really nice, sleek and tough. As you can see, very resistant. They are quite nice. I like very much the color, and they can pass upon 240 watts of energy, which is quite nice. So I'm gonna test it. I have an extension cord right here. I have an extension cord right here with a cube ready. So we're gonna put one there and the other part here with my earbuds. As you can see, these blinking LEDs means that it's charging, which is quite nice. So as you can see, it's charging, right? Then I have these Marshall over the ear headphones, and we'll just connect them. We connect them here. That LED starts to turn on, meaning that these are charging. I really like them. They are large enough for everyday activities. If you want to leave one in your car and one in your office, or one in your office and one in your house, they're really nice. I really recommend it.